Let me just refresh your memory of the chambers of the heart and blood flow through the heart. Blood enters the right atrium via the inferior and the superior vena cava. The right ventricle then receives this deoxygenated blood and pumps it to the lungs via pulmonary arteries coming off this pulmonary trunk. When oxygenated blood returns from the lungs into the left atrium of the heart and then passes into the left ventricle, it is then pumped via the aorta to the rest of the body. The interventricular septum, separating the right and the left ventricle, which I will refer to later on, will run down here. The wall of the right ventricle has been cut away here to enable me to point out the layers of the heart wall at this gross anatomy level before I explain and show you images of the histological components of each of these layers at the microscopic level. The layers of the heart wall are continuous between the atria and the ventricles. The thickest part of the heart wall is the myocardium. The inner lining of the heart wall is the endocardium, and the outer layer is the epicardium, also known as the visceral layer of the serous pericardium, with notable amounts of adipose or fatty tissue. So, in the next lecture, we will look at histological features of each of these three layers.